Kawai ka Ïing basa wai de Kiba Jylla kala Shah Kawang Petrol bomb hene ka steps ngi palai ha kashnong mau ba barapathar. Karkum ka jing yathu Superintendent of Police ka East Khasi Hills kani ka jing ja kala ja hap deng nyoshi teng hadu phrabaji a men step. Kani ka Ïing ka dei jong ka kong Juli lingdo bat ka basa wai de Kiba Jylla. Ula ong baki runar kilalet ban Kawang mau shwa ya kani ka Ïing ha shwa ban Kawang Petrol bomb. Uni petrol bomb ula bathai henry kam shemla dan satya kanu ka jing julor bat ka jing mensaw. Upen tep baki runar kilawar mi na ka jaka khlaw ba marjan banle yakani ka kam pentriam. Yakani ka jing Jylla register case halum dingri police station bat ka jing toket menta kalayat shakmat ban kem yaki bedan kti hakani ka kam.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was informed lately about these incidents, but in charge of Jalupara informed that this morning at about 7:30 to 8, he came to know that somebody miscreant pelted stones, and after that they throw one petrol bomb in Jalupara area, that is in the roof of resident of Srimati Jylla. Of course, in that she's not staying, but the tenants were staying there, and some non-tribals were staying. During inquiry by the in charge there, luckily no damage. Yes, that petrol bomb is glass, but then no damage whatsoever. And in this connection, inquiry is still going on, and we'll do everything. We'll let's do no turn. We'll do everything. We'll check it out from all available sources, this and that. But as of date, as I say, no one injured, and a case will be accordingly will be registered in the Lumdingri police stations. No eyewitness were there, but I'm sure more than one. The